Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Panty Rebel Remote Control Vibrating Panty. So let's get started. So these are the panties themselves. As you can see, it's a very comfortable fit, one size fits all. It has some lacy detailing to the side just there. And the material is very stretchy for the perfect fit. It also has a compartment in which the panty vibrator itself can slip into, and it's very discreet. The material itself is very soft and smooth, so it'll feel really good on the skin. Now that we've had a look at the panties, let's take a look at the panty vibrator in a bit more detail. So this is the panty vibrator itself. It's made of a very soft and smooth material, which comes equipped with 12 vibration settings that can easily be operated with just the vibrator or the remote control as well. To turn on, press and hold down, a light comes on. Press once more, and it's on. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To use the remote control, it's very simple and easy to do. Simply click on the half moon and it's now connected. To change the settings, click on the same button. To pause, click on the two lines and it turns off. Make sure to turn the panty vibrator off by pressing and holding down, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the magnetic USB charging cable provided. Attach it like so and it will charge quickly and easily for you. When using this panty vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth for good hygienic use. And that is the Panty Rebel Remote Control Vibrating Panty. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.